show you the new, brand new city bike, 350 watt, 48 volt battery running at 10 amp hour, and this is a folding city bike. It folds in 2 easy moves. One off there, clip on the handlebars, and it's ready to store. Again, to put it back, really straightforward. Let the bike just fall in on itself, keeping a close eye on the cables. One clip, and two. The handlebar's got a safety feature, so you do have to push it to the side to disengage it. Otherwise, even when it's unlocked, it's still secure. Looking at some other features on the bike, we have front suspension, we have suspension on the seat, which makes it really comfortable to ride. We have fat tyres, 3x2 inch, and these are anti-puncture tyres. Disc brakes front and back, 7-speed Shimano derailleur. And looking at the battery part of the bike, so as I mentioned before, the battery is 48 volt, so it's a bigger battery running off 10 amp hours, and this will last you all day in the city, up to 65 kilometre range. We have a key in the side to secure the battery and to turn the battery on. To remove the battery, we have a small latch on the seat, a push and turn on the key, and the battery can be easily removed. You can charge the battery on the bike or off the bike. And if we look at the control panel, again, easy to operate. A press for on. Oh, turn the bike on first, that helps. Press for on, and then you can easily adjust the level of assistance with these arrows. Up to 3 and down to using it as a simple bike. We have a one touch for the light, and it displays the light, which is an LED at the front. If we press again and hold, then we go into a 4 kilometre cruise mode. So if you do have a load on the bike, you can walk along the side of the bike at a 4 kilometre cruise. We've also got a lot more information on the LCD screen, so if there is a fault with the bike, the screen itself will tell you where the fault is along the bike system, whether it's the control panel, the battery or the motor, which can help a lot when you have little issues with the bike. The bike is guaranteed for 2 years, so if there's any problems, you can return to base and we'll fix it for you. We have a micro shift on the front, very easy push button to move through the gears. The front itself is very adjustable, so we have adjustable handlebars, so you can move it to suit yourself, and adjustable height on the handlebars and on the seat. A stand on the back, so it's easy to leave. The frame design itself is a lightweight aluminium alloy. Good welds throughout. You'll notice the quality of the welds and the quality of the paintwork, and the step-through frame makes it really easy for anyone to use it, any size person. You can step through onto the pedals and away you go. And this is it. It's the new city bike from Eurocarts. If you're interested, then go to the website, all the details are there. Thanks for watching.